Look at it! Last time I guess I got too much water.
You think that's what it was?
Cause I poured like this whole thing in there. It was like a
Oh yeah, I bet you're right. What do you think about it, Vedas?
What happened?
I hope under the
What's happening? Look at it, look at it. Watch it.
Hello. Goggle. Goggle, goggle, goggle. Hello.
Yeah, it said what happens on the booklet.
Where did you find
says-
these goggles, Jackson? Jackson, where did you find these goggles?
Felix is trying to tell you how to do it.
So, first you put some stuff there.
What does that stuff feel like?
Almonds.
Oh, I feel it. Feels like. Can you stay right here?
Oh my
Kind of feels like soap bubbles.
god.
The soap bubbles.
I can feel that stuff.
It says how it looks.
All right, let Mommy try a different way now.
The result of
Mom wants to try a different
reaction.